Good morning, guys. So let's get straight into it. And today's episode of Taste the World Without Leaving London. Let's go to Somalia. So I don't have a lot of experience with East African cuisine, so I don't know much about Somali food. But I did some research and there were some interesting facts about Somali food. One of them was that they always give you bananas with the meal. And the second thing was spaghetti is one of their traditional food. But do you know why? Let's get into it.
When you arrive, you see a clear description on the window what they sell to clean and simple interior. This speaks volume that they probably know they serve the best food, that you don't really need a flashy, Instagrammable and trendy interior. I first had the Baasto, which is a Somali version of pasta. Yeah, because Somalia was under Italian rule, there was an influence in the cuisine. When I had it, it felt more like the spaghetti I had in Korea when I was young than the spaghetti I had in Italy. It felt more comforting, soothing, rather than the al dente style I had in Italy, which can be difficult at times. Amir, the manager, offered to try bariis and hilib, which translates to rice and meat. It comes with salad and soup on the side, and most interestingly, a banana. But why the banana? And how do you eat it? And no, it is not for a snack or dessert. Having the best bananas and fruits in general in Somalia, it was natural to incorporate fruits in the diet, which have been passed down for generations. And now it is a tradition and a staple in Somali cuisine, and even Donald Trump talked about it. Every time you have the meat and rice, you also have a bite of sliced banana. And who knew banana would bring a perfect balance between the spiciness of the chili and the saltiness of the meat? And the best part is, for all this was just £7. Yes, I know. So if you want to have a fabulous Somali food, try Zamzam. And before I end this video, please like and subscribe and let me know which country's food I should try next time.